What is it?
I saw it happen.
What? What did you see?
They're shooting at bailed out pilots. Reaper's coming! Go, go, go!
Getting excited, Edge?
I swear I'll kill them all!
Don't forget, no matter what, you'll always be up there for us.
I'm not letting anyone die like a dog here.
Gaymar has confirmed launch for Camilla.
Butterfly emblem.
Is he some kind of ghost?
He's mine.
All units, continue the operation.
I think I see the Reaper coming for me.